In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into a Trello board using the Smart Import Power-Up. Whether you're managing projects, organizing your personal tasks, or collaborating with a team, Trello is a versatile tool that can help streamline your workflow. But sometimes, manually entering data can be tedious and time-consuming. That's where the Smart Import Power-Up comes in. It's a simple yet powerful feature that enables you to bring data into Trello quickly and effortlessly. To get started, head over to your Trello board where you wish to import the data. Look to the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a rocket ship icon. This is your gateway to expanding Trello's capabilities. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll want to select Add Power-Ups. Think of power-ups as plugins or add-ons that bring additional functionality to Trello. They're developed by third-party developers and are super handy for customizing your Trello experience. Next, you'll need to search for a specific power-up called Import to Trello by Blue Dasher. I highly recommend this particular one because it's incredibly user-friendly. Once you find it, simply click the Add button to integrate it into your Trello board. After the power-up has been added, navigate back to the rocket ship icon. Click it again to reveal a list of all the power-ups you've added. Find the Import to Trello power-up from the list, and click on it to authorize its use. Authorization is a one-time step that ensures everything works smoothly. With the power-up now authorized, you're ready to put it to work. Click on it again from the Power-Ups menu. You'll notice that a new interface appears, designed specifically to facilitate data importation. Now, here's the beauty of this power-up. There's no need to hunt for or manually import files. You can simply copy the data directly from your Excel spreadsheet or CSV file and paste it into the provided fields here. This feature is a huge time saver, especially if you frequently work with spreadsheet data. Of course, if you prefer or need to make specific updates, you still have the option to enter values one by one. This flexibility allows you to modify or add additional pieces of information to meet the precise needs of your project. Once you're happy with the data you've entered, all that's left is to click the Import button. And just like that, your data is seamlessly integrated into your Trello board. And there you have it. You've just learned how to efficiently import data into Trello using the Smart Import Power-Up. This method will not only save you time, but also enhance the way you manage and interact with your data within Trello. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.